Hi everyone, this is Umair from Simple Tutorials, and in this video we will be discussing how to resolve Venmo error code 0Auth2. So before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the description of this video from where you can support to our channel by donating. So if you feel like our content is providing you guys value, you have a chance to support this channel by donating from the link in the description. Now basically why this error basically occurs. This is because maybe you have an authorization error in the backend section. So majority of the time you need to be needing to get yourself authenticated or verify your email address. So if you have not verified your email address yet or linked your bank account to your Venmo account, this could possibly occur. Or you have entered the wrong password or forgotten it. Then these are the main key reasons that why this error is occurring. After that, your internet connections keeps dropping. Now ISP could be a big reason here. Internet service provider, if it is not working perfectly fine, then you might have some connectivity issues that might cause you to have this error popping up. And if you're using outdated version of app, there is an undergoing scheduled maintenance, then there are pretty much some chances that this occurs. Now to fix this basically, or how you can bypass this error, ensure that your device meets the baseline requirements to run the app, and double check your password and email credentials, especially if they're case sensitive. After that, check your date and time settings and ensure they're in sync. And ensure you're using the latest version of the app as mentioned, because sometimes if you are using an outdated version, that might cause an issue as well. So basically these are some of the applied fixes to the issue, and I hope this helped. If it did so, make sure to head over to the link in the description to simply support to our channel, as it will help us a lot. Also, make sure to head over to Simple Tutorials for more videos like these. Thank you so much for watching.